Hello everyone, this is Faye with Relax and Scrap. Do y'all see this? I hope the light is not too bright, but I got it bright because I want y'all to see. Because I know it's going to be something wonderful in here. I am here for Lady Cree's Spring Forward Design Team Unboxing. Yes, I was chosen to be on her design team this month. And I am super excited, y'all. So I want y'all to be excited with me. For we know Lady Cree is glue. She sticks us all together with these challenges and she keeps us going and motivated. She encourages us to do what we do best, which is crafting. So I am going to go ahead and cut this open and let y'all see what's inside, and we can be surprised together. As you can see, it's her packaging is always decorated so pretty. So I'm gonna pull this out with y'all know you got your shred down in there. Look at them spring pastel colors. I'll just set that out there like this. Maybe I'll put it there. If it don't be in the way, I'll leave it. If it's in the way, then I'll move it. Oh, it's so pretty. So it is. I got some more down in here. Ain't that pretty? Don't that just scream spring to y'all? Because it screams spring to me. So pretty. Okay. And we know how she loves putting her stuff in these clear bags. And I may have to move the camera up some. I'm not sure yet. But that is the box. And that is a card. Look at this envelope. Ain't that pretty? Got that pretty flower right there. Ooh. Look at this. Is it not pretty? This is so pretty. Spring greetings. Look at there. Ooh. Thank you. I passed Bath and Body Works the other day and I was like, no, I'm going to be good. I'm not going to go in there. And guess what? I get to go now. And she has her little sheet to protect everything. I'll read the note right quick. She's just thanking me for designing for her. She's excited to see what I'll created. And I'm excited too to share with you guys. So I will be back after the unboxing to share what I created. It says, hoping you are surrounded by spring blessings of joy and love. But is that not a beautiful card? Just love that. And here's the box. It's got the truck on it that fresh cut flowers. Has my name in the corner. Relax and Scrap. I love it. So let's open this box. When I say she got this thing packaged, whatever's in here was not going to be moved by the post office no matter what they did. It is packaged. Let's see if I can cut the tape on the side over here so I can open it up. Okay. Ooh, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Look at here. Ooh. Lady Cree's Joyful Rosettes. Are these not pretty? Look at here. And look at all the little bits and pieces. It's a butterfly. It's a flower that I have to play with. Is that not pretty? Yes. That is so pretty. And look at these blue rosettes. Oh my. This is so pretty. This is just screaming spring right here, y'all. And the yellow. Wow. That is so pretty. So pretty. And then, of course, some pink. Look at there. And all of this is matching the flower, the card over here. So pretty. Then I have some stickers, and we all know she loves her stickers. Look at there. So pretty. And then her embroidery floss. All the colors is just, look at there. This has all 3 of those colors. That is so pretty. And all the special extra touches that she always add. Bloom, bloom, bloom. Is that not pretty, y'all? And then she, even the backing that she uses is so pretty and coordinates with everything. So pretty. Oh my words. Oh my words, y'all. Look at this. The little container has my name on it. Oh, these are so cute. It's got little watering cans in there. A yellow one and a blue one. Then we have these pretty flowers right here. Is that not pretty? Woo! So pretty. This is gonna make my job easy. Everything's so pretty, I tell you. It's gonna make my job easy. These fun, beautiful colors. I can't wait. And then we have the next one. Has my name on it. The butterflies. Look at there. Is that not pretty? Is that not pretty? Wow. So pretty. So pretty. And then she has another container in here, y'all, with goodies in it. This is so pretty. Take it out of the glass clear bag. Look at here. Oh, it opens separate. So you have the pink beads here. You have some pink flowers with a white butterfly and a blue butterfly. You have another white butterfly. It's a pink butterfly over here. I don't know if all the butterflies were supposed to be in one thing and they fluttered on by to join up with some other things, but we're gonna stick them all right there. And she has the little attacher thing where you can make these into like a necklace or a charm. And then look at this pretty little charm, cabochon right here. The little bunny head with the bow. Is that not cute? Then we got some blue flowers and blue beads over here. Turn this around. Look at the purple beads, the purple flowers. Another one of those rabbit head with the flat back thing to make it into a charm. The yellow flowers, the white beads. And then look at these charms right here. So yes, y'all be on the lookout for my projects that I create with this box right here. Please go check out Lady Cree. I will have her link in the description down below. And go check her out today, because she will be releasing her video as well. We thank y'all for stopping by. We thank y'all for y'all support. We look forward to y'all supporting us. Well, me anyway, when I get ready to do my projects. And yes, thank you for stopping by. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. And you will see me soon, because as I say, I will be posting my project share from all of this goodness. Thanks for stopping by.